Great golf views of 13th hole of the Santa Lucia River Club, a Jack Nicklaus signature golf course from your covered screen lanai. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage, CBS home with tile and carpet, open floor plan, cathedral ceilings, and hurricane shutters. Kitchen has granite tops and tile backsplash. Memberships to the River Club are available but not mandatory. Close to Club Med, shopping, and a short drive to the beach. The carpet in living areas is put down over the floor tile. Master has jetted tub.